Good morning, students. Let us discuss the next sustainable energy method, that is hydrogen. Hydrogen is also considered as a future fuel because it produce clean energy similar to electricity, and it is also considered as a energy carrier. Hydrogen can be produced from various domestic sources such as renewable energy and nuclear energy. And in the long term, hydrogen will simultaneously reduce the dependence on foreign fuel and the emission of greenhouse gases and other pollutants. Hydrogen is also considered as an energy carrier. Energy carrier are used to move, store and deliver energy in a form that can be easily used. Electricity is the most well-known example of an energy carrier. Coming to the advantages of hydrogen, since it is a clean source of energy, it is a sustainable source of energy, so it is environment friendly as it does not produce harmful emissions. Hydrogen is more efficient as it produces more energy. Hydrogen can be produced domestically from several sources like renewable energy sources and nuclear energy sources. Hydrogen is readily available as it is a basic earth element and it's very abundant. Since hydrogen does not exist on earth as a gas, it must be separated from other compounds. So as far as advantages are concerned, so hydrogen is considered as a future fuel because currently hydrogen is mainly used as a fuel in the NASA space program. Liquid hydrogen is used to propel space shuttle and other rockets. Coming to the disadvantages of hydrogen, the vehicles which use hydrogen as a fuel are very expensive because the hydrogen itself, the gas is very expensive. Hydrogen is difficult to store. It is highly flammable. It is difficult to store as far as if we compare with fossil fuel. It is highly flammable. It can catch fire easily. Hydrogen fueling stations are available only at limited location. Only handfuls of stations are available. You can see here it is the hydrogen fueling station in India.